toru, rua, tahi. Right on time. Thanks for always showing up. That's us, e Juanma. Let's go.
Toy time!
9 a.m. Sunday the 27th. We'll see you then. Oh, kia ora. No mai, and welcome to the Toy Time Hospital. I'm Maya. Have a seat and someone will be with you shortly.
Tēnā koe, I'm Dr. Riki. All right, Maya, who have I got next?
Help! Help! Someone help! Is anyone in here a doctor?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, what's wrong, Jojo? Then we can find out what type of doctor you need.
Well, I was playing cards with my koro and I lost again. So, wait, there are different types of doctors?
Aye. For example, some takuta focus on your roro, your brain, and some help to look after your niho, your teeth.
Oh, I know that one, a dentist.
Well, after losing at cards again, I was so frustrated and Koro called me a sore loser, so I'm trying to figure out where I'm sore and how to fix it.
It sounds like a bad case of hurt pride.
Oh, hurt pride. It hurts right here because I really wanted to do better so I could be proud of myself.
Well, I've got the perfect cure for you, Jojo. Would you like a hug?
Oh, yes, please, Ricky.
We're always proud of you, Jojo.
Thanks, Dr. Ricky. I feel much better already.
It's funny you say that, Jojo, because today is all about these special people who help us feel better when we're sick or when we hurt. Takuta, doctors.
They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But when I've got a tummy that's feeling kind of funny, or when I've got a sore throat, ouch, I say the doctor's okay by me. They say that brushing each day keeps the dentist away. They say that brushing each day keeps the dentist away. If my teeth are wiggling, or if I need a filling, or if I got a sore tooth, ow, I say the dentist's okay by me. Everyone has days when they don't feel so well. Don't worry, it's okay. The doctor's here to help. Everyone has days when they don't feel so well. Don't worry, it's okay. The doctor's here to help. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But when I've got a tummy that's feeling kind of funny, or when I've got a sore throat, ouch, I say the doctor's okay by me. I say the doctor's okay by me.
Woohoo! I've finished my X-ray machine. Ooh, did you know an X-ray machine is used by doctors to take pictures of inside the body?
I know it was around here somewhere.
Oh,
I just
Maya,
can't quite remember
what are you looking
where.
for?
Maybe it was the red jersey, the cream.
Yeah,
Maybe it could be my
Maya.
purple. Oh, sorry, Nikki. I'm looking for the house key. Have you seen it?
Carl.
That's okay. Do you need help with this?
Oh, no thank you. It's all done. But how would you like to be my first patient? I can see you at my clinic.
Yes, please, Dr. Ricky.
Okay, Maya. Today we're going to use an X-ray machine to check your tinana, your body.
Dr. Ricky, I just want to make sure of something. It won't hurt, will it?
Oh, not a bit, Maya. The X-ray machine sends out invisible rays that pass through your skin without having to even touch you. You won't feel a thing.
Wehi nā.
So, step inside the machine and stand nice and still. Boop. Ooh. These white parts are your bones. Let's take a closer look at your wayway, your legs. Aha! I can see something has happened to your ankle, just here.
Aye, that's correct, Dr. Ricky. I broke my ankle bone a few years ago playing netball. I spent 6 weeks in a cast, which kept it safe while it healed.
Oh, well, it looks like it's healed really well. Let's check out the rest of your tinana. All right, I can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 fingers.
Huh? 8 fingers?
8 fingers. And 2 thumbs.
Dr. Ricky, you got me good.
Let's keep looking. Where? Maya, this doesn't look good. It looks like you have swallowed something.
Ha ha, very funny, Ricky.
No, I'm serious, Maya. Look down at the machine.
Oh no!
It looks like a key.
Hang on a minute.
The house key! We found it!
Woohoo! Thanks, Dr. Ricky. You've been a huge help.
My pleasure, Maya. I love helping people. See you next time.
E nohora.
Oh, Buzz next. Okay.
Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm off to see one of my friends, Emily, in hospital. Hoa ke tātou. Kia ora.
Hey,
I'm Buzz, and I'm just here to see my friend Emily.
sure, take a seat and I'll come and grab you.
Cool, thank you. Oh, kia ora. Hello. Kia ora. This place is cool. Oh, look, a bee.
We're waiting for you, Buzz.
Oh, cool. Hello. Oh, kia ora, my mate.
What does sushi A say to sushi B?
What?
Wasabi.
Wasabi. You got all the best jokes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
Why?
To get to the other slide.
I have a joke for you, Emily. How do you get an octopus to laugh?
How?
10 tickles.
How?
You want to see some of my dance moves?
Yeah.
I call this one the noodle. Is the wave. You can do the wave. There you go. The Libra. Kind of like a crab though, eh? Crab. And this one is the worm.
What's my version?
Go on there. Get it. Oh.
Like this. Is this how you do it?
No.
You're awesome. Oh, look. The doctor's here to see you, Emily.
Hey, it's Sophia, your doctor. How are you doing today? Can I see your chest today? And then I'm gonna listen to your lungs, okay? I just go here. And then you just inhale and exhale. Good job. Again. So everything sounds really good. So you're done for today?
High five.
High five.
Bye.
You're funny. Bye.
You're amazing. Hey, Emily. I got something for you. A card. So you can open that up whenever you want later. And then I also got you this little tonga as well, too. I think when you rub it between your fingers, it brings you good luck. Can I read the card to you? Okay, cool. To my mate Emily, I hope you had an amazing day. I can't stop laughing at all the fun times we have. I hope you get better soon so we can go on some more adventures. Keep being amazing. Nah, Buzz. High five, high five. Bye.
Bye.
Here we go. Kia ora tamariki mā, I'm Auntie Anika.
Auntie Anika.
Oh, I'm just in here e mara
Kia ora, Auntie. Hey, are you ready to go?
I'm just putting on my eczema cream.
Oh, you have eczema? Me too.
Oh, yeah. I love meeting my eczema buddies.
Yeah. Oh, do you get the itchy elbows too?
Yeah, and sometimes I get itchy red patches at the back of my knees, but I've got heaps of rongoa to help make it better.
Like what?
Okay, so I've got my cream to soothe it. That always helps.
Yeah.
I let my skin breathe by wearing loose kakahu, and I drink plenty of wine,
Oh.
and I make sure I stay nice and cool. But that's not hard for me because I'm pretty cool.
That's right, Auntie. You're cool as. And helpful too. Hey, maybe you should be a tākuta, a doctor.
Dr. Auntie Anika. I like the sound of that.
Yeah. Hurry up, let's go.
Okay.
Wolfie! Me haere, Nene. It's time to go. Wolfie, I can see you hiding behind the tutu. Oh, what's the matter? Are you feeling a bit worried going to the vet getting your vaccinations done?
My puku feels really strange when I'm worried.
Don't worry. I'll be right beside you, holding your hand like this.
You will?
Of course. And you can squeeze as hard as you like. While you're getting your vaccinations, it will also help if you take big breaths like this. Oh, come on, Wolfie. The vaccinations will go very quickly. Now you repeat after me. I am brave and strong.
I am brave and strong.
Oh, like you mean it.
Oh, I am brave and strong.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am.
Are you ready?
Oh!
Come on, let's go.
Yay!
Are you ready for Takaro time?
We sure are, Buzz.
Rawe, today is all about having a strong and healthy heart. My doctor told me the key to a healthy manawa is to exercise. Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Oh, my heart's pumping really fast because I've been moving my body lots. That's what exercise is!
Oh, bum. My heart feels nice and steady because I've been standing still.
I can't feel my heart at all.
Try the other side, Ricky.
Oh. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Ah, Nice and steady.
Oh, well, let's see if we can get them pumping with some races. All you have to do is get from here to here, and the fastest person wins.
That's easy.
But there's a catch. You can't use your feet.
Still easy. I'll go first.
All right, kia rite, Jojo.
I'm going to roll.
And Timata. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, nice, Jojo.
6 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna do a forward roll.
Kia rite, Timata.
Whoa!
5 seconds. Whoa. All right, my turn. Oh,
Wait, how are you going to do it, Buzz?
you'll see. Prepare.
Chiarite! Timata! Oh, 4 seconds! And we have a winner!
Wow, gotta hand it to you, Buzz. That sure got my heart pumping.
Yes. Hydrate.
Oh, thank you, Jojo.
Cheers.
I'm not feeling it well. Cough, cough, coughing away. My mama said I have to go to the doctor so they can check that I'm okay. My face is really hot. Achoo, achoo. And my throat is raw. Cough, 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 cough. My body is aching all over, and my head is really sore. The doctor sees me now. Please come with me. They check me over real good. Thank you, thank you. They tell me to stay in bed and rest, and to eat ice cream and read books. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Kia ora. I think I'm better now.
This is my daughter Sabi, and this is her younger brother Zaki. Sabi, shall I put the song on?
Let's do it!
Sabi absolutely loves to sing. Her little brother Zaki likes to listen. Sabi loves to send videos to her grandmother in the Philippines. For a singing performance, you have to have an audience. Well done, Anna. Good job. High five. Singing makes Sabi very, very happy. Are you happy with that video?
Yes.
All right, let's send it. Lola thinks Sabi has a great voice. Makes her so happy. I think Lola would love that singing video from you. What do you think?
Hello.
Bye!
What's your favourite kai in your lunchbox, Maya?
Probably these walnuts. The cool thing about walnuts is that they're super good for your brain. I'll always remember that because they look like little brains.
Oh, that is cool. I'm going to put this apuro in my lunchbox.
Oh, is that to keep the doctor away?
Is that really true, Maya?
Oh, that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Oh, let's ask Mōhio. Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Maya.
Is it really true that apples keep doctors away?
Healthy kai like apples can help you keep healthy, which may mean less trips to the doctors. But also, you don't need to keep the doctor away. They're nice people, and regular checkups make sure you are growing healthy and strong.
There you go. Tēnā rawa atu, mōhio.
Get out of here, germs! Get out of here, germs! Get out of here, germs! Whoa! Get some soap on your hands and we rub, rub, rub. Get in between your fingers and we scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse and then we dry them and we're done, done, done. We're the germ buster crew and we never give up. There are tiny little bugs too small for your eyes to see. But if you look through a microscope, there's more than you'd believe. Sometimes germs make you sick, and we want to stay healthy. We'll have to wash them off, so sing this song with me. Get some soap on your hands, and we rub, rub, rub. Get in between your fingers, and we scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse and then we dry them and we're done, done, done. We're the germ buster crew and we never give up. You know that sharing things is a super thing to do. What's not so great to share are coughs and colds and flu. Sometimes germs make you sick and we want to stay healthy. We'll have to wash them off, so sing this song with me. Get some soap on your hands and we rub, rub, rub. Get in between your fingers and we scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse and then we dry them and we're done, done, done. We're the germ buster crew and we never give up. Get out of here, germs. Get out of here, germs. Get out of here, germs. Whoa, yeah.
We have a very special doctor in my whānau. They help us fix all sorts of mamai like nasty bruises, sore puku, or even a sore toothache. They don't wear a white coat or work at a clinic. In fact, they live right here in the garden. That's because they're a plant. This tipu is called kawakawa. You can use its leaves or roots to make teas or balms. These can be great rongoā, medicine. My auntie said that the heart-shaped leaves of the kawakawa are its way of letting you know it can help to heal you. Miharo ne. He rau kawakawa, he tohu aroha.
I am brave and strong. I am brave and strong. Yee, yee.
We're playing on our school gym today. We're practicing our basketball. We practice our dribbling. We practice shooting hoops. Oh, yes! Sometimes we miss, but we keep trying. We love it when we score. We also love playing badminton. These are our badminton rackets. We try to encourage each other. Great job, everyone! When things are hard, we don't give up. Well played. Well played. Well played. Well played. We love table tennis. It's so fun. Table tennis is really hard. The ball keeps running away. We're going to practice our tricks. That's what you get. And there's another game we really love. It's pickleball. Let's do pickleball. The pickleball rackets are really heavy. We love playing in our school gym. 4, 5. Story time.
Hello, friends. I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about Grandma's medicine. On a cold and wet day, Joy unhappily stayed in bed, sick with a cold. Her nose was stuffy and her throat was sore, and she could not stop coughing. The doctor told Joy to stay in bed until she felt better and gave her medicine to stop the coughing. Dad poured the sticky pink medicine into a cup and gave it to Joy. This should help, he said. Joy bravely swallowed the medicine, not minding the sweet strawberry flavour. Grandma, Pawpaw, came in with a steaming mug of tea. It smelled faintly of grass and dried flowers. I brewed this Chinese herbal tea for you, said Pawpaw. Like the medicine, it'll help you get through the sickness. Joy took a small sip of tea and frowned. It's very bitter, complained Joy. Sometimes things that can taste horrible can be good for you, said Pawpaw. But she gave Joy a cheeky smile and showed her the lollies in her hand. But if you're very brave and finish up the tea, you can have a lolly to chase away the bitter flavour. Pawpaw's lollies were Joy's favourite, so she pinched her nose and quickly swallowed every drop of bitter tea as she popped a lolly in her mouth. Good girl, said Pawpaw, leaving Joy to rest. As Joy finished her lolly, she relaxed in her bed. She soon felt better, thanks to the doctor's medicine and Pawpaw's Chinese herbal tea. The end.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Por fa soy foi.